you probably haven't seen before. But let's go ahead and let the owner tell us what's in here, man.
I have 9 SP Audio Team Neo V2s.
What are they, 12s?
15.
15, so 9 15s, okay.
No, 11 15s.
There's 11?
So I had 11 15s. I lost number 9. I think one choreo number 9.
Okay.
But I'm going to still play it anyway.
That's how we do it around here.
Each sub is on a KO 8 per sub at half ohm.
You have 8,000 watts per sub at half an ohm.
Yep.
And that's a lot of power.
It's a 6-order, turn around 2244.
2244. Tell me a little bit about this cabin.
It's all metal cabin. I have an 1.5 inch acrylic as well. So roof, floor, all steel.
Yeah, that's nothing vibrating other than your organs in here.
Nope. Size of seats.
What about your doors, dude? I saw these doors. These are pretty sick. What's in here?
So I have 6 DS18 Pro. These are ferrite versions.
Okay.
And I have the 4-inch tweeters with the lights in it, but I'm not running the lights.
We got 4-inch tweeters, and you got
4 tweeters, 6 10s.
6 10s. All right, and this door has nothing in it. This is just a pressure chamber, pretty much.
Pretty much.
So let's turn it up and see what she's got. 10 of 11 subs, guys. Still gonna send it. Where can people find you on social media?
The Professor 06 at TikTok and Instagram.
Yo, do you guys hear that?
So you can actually point it right there, and they will.
Oh, that's where you guys can find this build right here.
Yep.
Easy peasy.
The Professor 06.
White Cadillac riding in the tank. On the wood, yellow timber like it's lumberjack. Still, I'm a kid, yeah, I got him talking about me.
The heat, the meat.
Hey, yo, is that Mexican OT? Motherfucker fights on the motherfucking T, bitch. I stay at the F, I'm a motherfucking G. I be plotting this scheme, creeping with demons one deep. I got a big old chopper, knock his ass out.
Let's get it, bro.
Anybody say they got a
Have you sat on this side yourself? Have you sat on this side yourself?
Not yet. I just got
do it.
I just got it playing today.
Don't do it.